Good day, everyone. Today we will continue with chapter function, subtopic composite function. So we will look on how to determining a function when the composite function and one of the functions are given. So you can refer your textbook at page 16. Now we look example 10. The function f is defined by fx equal to x minus 2. Find the function g for each of the following. So we look part A, given f gx equal to 8x minus 7. That means it's already given the composite function f gx, and one of the function fx is already given. So you're going to find gx. So how we want to find gx? So as you know, from fg, how fg forms. Okay, how fg forms. That means the this g we substitute into f. Okay, g substitute into f. You know your f. F is x minus 2. That means in your fx, x minus 2, sorry, x minus 2. So this x is your gx. This is how we find a composite function. That means we take g, substitute into f. So that means gx minus 2. So this will be equal to your fg that is already given. The answer that is 8x minus 7. So this is the concept. If you want to find gx, that means this gx is, you have to substitute into f. Then only you can get this composite function fgx. Again, gx, you substitute into f. Then you get fgx. So that's I did here. Your fx is x minus 2. So I substitute my gx into my f. So gx is, I substitute into this x minus 2, gx minus 2. So this will be equal to the given answer for fgx, that is 8x minus 7. So we just solve this. How we get this gx? We just take this negative 2, we bring to the other side. Okay, we can look at the answer given. Gx is 8x minus 7 plus 2. That means these two, negative 2, you bring to the other side. Becomes plus 2. Becomes plus 2. So negative 7 plus 2, you get 8x minus 5. So your gx is 8x minus 5. This method you do when you want to find the function that is inside the composite function. That means you have f, g, and this g is the inside part. Okay, we can label it. F is outside. Okay, this is outside, and g is inside. So this method you use when you want to find the function that is inside part. So you use this method, inside part. Okay, next we look part B. Part B given gfx. you're going to find G. Fx is already given in the question. You want to find G. Where is G? G is outside now. Just now G was inside. Now G is outside. F is inside. Okay, so for this question, you use the method OIC. What means OIC? You want to find the outside part. Okay, O stands for outside. Okay, you want to find the outside part, that is GX. Okay, GX is the outside part now. What you do, you take I inside. Who is inside? Fx. Okay, you take inside I, inside, and you have to do inverse. Also I. Okay, inverse. Wait, no. Inverse. IN. After that, after you did the inverse part, you substitute into composite. Okay, C stands for composite. Composite is our GF. GF in the, according to the question, composite. Okay, composite is GF. So how to do? Okay, we want to find outside part. We take the inside Fx. So what is our Fx? Okay, the Fx given was x minus 2 just now in the question. You refer your textbook at page 16. Okay, it's already given in the question earlier that Fx is x minus 2. So the method to do inverse, okay, you write let, this is the supposed to be now, let y equal x minus 2. Then what you do, you change the subject. Now the subject is y, you change the subject to x. That means you are going to bring these two to the other side. You are going to change the subject. That means I want what is my x. Just now the question is y equal to x minus 2. I want to change now what is my x. That means my x will be y plus 2. Okay, that is given here. They change the subject. Okay, y is your fx. Y equal to x minus 2. They change the subject from y to x. X equal to y plus 2. So what is this y plus 2 is the inverse that we find here, inverse. So inverse, how we write inverse? Inverse f power of negative 1. Then you write x. This is how we write inverse. So inverse, this f inverse of f equal to x plus 2. That y you change to the x. Just now you get y plus 2, so you change to x plus 2. So this is your inverse of f. That is x plus 2. So what are you going to do this with x plus 2? You are going to substitute into gf. What is your gf? X squared. You must substitute at your x. You have learned before this. X squared plus 3x. 3 times, okay, x is x plus 2 lah. Okay, you can write straight away x plus 2. So just now x square, so you can write x plus 2 square. Okay, that means you substitute the inverse into the x in your composite. So you solve this. Okay, you solve this. Okay, when you expand x plus 2, okay, x plus 2, I hope everyone still remember how to expand. You cannot simply expand. Okay, you must write x plus 2 times with x plus 2. This is under quadratic. Your algebra. How you expand x plus 2 times with x plus 2. You must know how to expand. Okay, it is not x squared plus 4. That is wrong. Then 3 you multiply with x. I think this is simple. You will get 3x. And these 3 also you have to multiply with 2. So you get 6. Then you minus 5. So this front part, x you multiply with x. Then x you must multiply with 2. Then again these 2 you multiply with x. Then these 2 also you have to multiply with these 2. So you will get x squared plus 2x this is for the first term x. X multiply with x, you get x squared. X multiply with 2, you get 2x. Then for the second term, 2 you have to multiply with x, you get 2x. And also 2 you multiply with 2, you get 4. This is how we expand. You have learned in lower form. So then you plus with the behind part, that is 3x. Then 6 minus 5, you get plus 1. So we simplify this. X squared, okay, you get x squared. 2x plus 2x, 4x, plus with 3x, you get 7x. Then 4 plus 1, you get 5. So this is how we find gx. When g is in the outside part. Just now part A, G was in the inside part. Now G is at outside part. Outside part, you use the concept of OIC. That means you are going to find the outside part. You have to take the inside part, that is fx, and you must do the inverse. Then you substitute into the composite. I hope you all understand. So please do self-practice 1.6 at page 16. I hope you can understand and so thanks for watching this video.